What's up guys, I'm Simon here with Z1 Off-Road, and today I've got a quick fix for a common problem on these Titan XDs with the diesel engine. Essentially what happens is there's a magnetic float inside your coolant reservoir, and that float becomes less buoyant over time, so it sinks down to the bottom of the tank and it tells your coolant sensor that you're out of coolant. Well, you get out and you check your engine bay and you actually do have coolant, but the problem is you've got to check engine light, you're in limp mode, and you got to get home. So we've got a fix for that, and let me show you what that looks like and how to fix it. All right, so the common symptoms of this problem is one, a check engine light, and two, a message on your dash that says reduced engine power and low coolant. So we don't have that second message yet, but to show you what we'd do to fix that, if we did, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and we'll check it out. All right, so you can see our coolant tank here has enough coolant in it, so we don't actually have a coolant leak. Our coolant level's not actually low. So to get us back home, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna reach down in here, and on the very bottom side of the tank, there's a connector that plugs into the coolant level sensor. It's hard to see, but it's really actually not that hard to unplug. There's a little lip on the bottom of the connector. You're just gonna pop that up and the connector's gonna slide right out the back. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So I've got my hand on that clip and I'm just pulling it up. So you can see I've got the connector unplugged from the back of the sensor itself, and now I've got our bypass here that's gonna plug directly into that same connector, and that's that. So I can zip tie this up or just tuck it away nicely. I'm gonna tuck it between the harness. So now what we've done is we've just bypassed that coolant sensor. We know that our truck has coolant, so don't really need to worry about that. Obviously, we're gonna keep an eye on it, make sure there's not actually a problem, but this is gonna get us out of limp mode, get us back home, and it's a whole lot cheaper than replacing the entire tank. All right, so we just gotten done installing our coolant sensor bypass. The truck is out of limp mode, the error code is gone, and we're ready to go. So if you need a quick fix just like this one, check it out at z1offroad.com.